Do you show love, care, and affection to your friend, your siblings? I'm sure you do. Who doesn't? I mean, do you know that you are supposed to love your country that way too? To be nationally conscious means that you have a strong feeling of love, affection, and care for your nation. It means that you want to see your country grow and develop. But showing love and affection and wanting growth and progress for your country doesn't mean you just sit on your bed and wish for all these things to happen. You have a role to play. Sometimes it isn't as big as you think. It could be showing love to your neighbors who aren't the same tribe as you are, not throwing reviews on the ground, or supporting your country when they need you to. That's not all. To show care to your country, you must have national integrity, which means that you must always act right, obey the rules of your country, and put in your effort to make your country grow. When you see people dumping refuse in the gutter, don't say, "This is none of my business," and walk away. Instead, go to them and explain that what they are doing is wrong. And finally, don't be one of those people who are always ready to fight and disturb the peace and unity of your country. And if you know people who are looking to disturb the peace of your country, advise them on why it is a bad idea. I hope you enjoyed my class. See you in my next class, guys.